Gracie.
Stop it.
Gracie.
Run for my life.
No, bring her this way, Julian.
Stop it. Stop it.
Bring her this way. Come on. Okay. Who's in there?
Julian, stop poking her with that, please.
Yikes. Abby, stay up here. You like Lego? Huh? What is this thing? Oh.
Nice. Eli, how much of a threat could he be if she hits herself in the mirror? Uh-oh. Puppy's gonna get scratched.
Eli, don't scratch.
Julian,
Julian,
just
stay out
let
of
him.
this. They need to figure this out for themselves.
Eli's like,
Another one.
Oh, that one's hissing. Gracie. Yeah, that is not a nice noise, Gracie. That means leave me alone. Smart puppy.
little smart puppy.
Abby, if you get on the bed, she won't reach you.
Abby, get on the bed quickly.
Yeah, but the boy with the sword is on the bed.
No, turn that back on.
Don't hit yourself in the mirror again.
Try this one again.
She's feeling very alone in the world.
Don't hiss. Okay, so you'll be in big, big trouble. Big.
Poor Gracie, nobody likes her in this house.
You are bad.
I bet the fish would like you. Maybe third time's the charm. It's Abby. Just go over the bed. She can't get on the bed. Puppy's not...
Bad Abby. Bad Abby.
Oh. Well, Gracie, you tried.